Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered what it would be like if somewhere out there in the vastness of space there was another planet exactly like Earth? Well, it turns out scientists may have found just that. So join us today as we explore this fascinating topic and find out more about this potentially groundbreaking discovery. There are many things that make our planet unique, from its vast oceans to its diverse array of life forms. But what if there was another planet out there with the same characteristics? What would that mean for us? And how would it change our understanding of the universe? The idea of an Earth twin has long captured the imagination of scientists and science fiction fans alike. The search for extraterrestrial life has been one of the most compelling quests of our time, and the discovery of a planet that is exactly like Earth would be a major breakthrough. In recent years, scientists have discovered several exoplanets that share similarities with our own. For example, Kepler 452b is an exoplanet that orbits a star that is similar to our Sun. It is located in the habitable zone of its star, meaning that it could have liquid water on its surface. Additionally, TRAPPIST-1e is another exoplanet that has been identified as a potential candidate for life. It is one of 7 planets that orbit a red dwarf star, and it is the only one that is in the habitable zone. These discoveries have raised hopes that we may not be alone in the universe and that there could be other planets out there that support life. However, it's important to note that these planets are not exactly like Earth. They may have some similarities, but they also have some key differences. For example, Kepler 452b is much larger than Earth, and TRAPPIST-1e is much smaller. Additionally, we don't know anything about their atmospheres or whether they have any geological activity. Therefore, while these planets are interesting candidates for further study, they are not yet considered to be true Earth twins. A true Earth twin would need to have several key similarities to our planet. First, it would need to have a similar atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere is made up of about 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen, which is just right for supporting life as we know it. Other gases, such as carbon dioxide and water vapor, are also present in Earth's atmosphere, but in much smaller amounts. A true Earth twin would need to have an atmosphere that is similar in composition to Earth's atmosphere. Otherwise, it would not be able to support life as we know it. Second, a true Earth twin would need to have a magnetic field that is similar to Earth's magnetic field. Earth's magnetic field is generated by the movement of our planet's molten iron core. This magnetic field protects Earth from the harmful radiation of the Sun and other space weather events. Without a strong magnetic field, life on Earth would not be possible. Therefore, a true Earth twin would need to have a strong magnetic field in order to support life as we know it. Finally, a true Earth twin would need to have plate tectonics that is similar to Earth's plate tectonics. Plate tectonics is the theory that the Earth's outer layer is made up of large plates that move and interact with each other. This movement is responsible for many of the Earth's geological features, including mountains, volcanoes, and earthquakes. Plate tectonics also plays a role in regulating Earth's climate and maintaining its habitability. Therefore, a true Earth twin would need to have plate tectonics in order to support life as we know it. So, what would it mean if we found a planet that is exactly like Earth? The implications would be profound. The discovery of an Earth twin would revolutionize our understanding of the universe and our place in it. It would confirm that life as we know it is possible elsewhere in the universe and raise the possibility of there being other forms of life that we have not yet discovered. It would also have profound implications for humanity. The discovery of an Earth twin would inspire awe and wonder and unite people around the world in a shared sense of discovery. It would also raise ethical questions about how we should interact with an Earth twin and its inhabitants. If we were to find an Earth twin, it would be important to approach it with respect and caution. We would need to consider the potential impact that our presence could have on its inhabitants and the environment. It's also worth considering what might happen if we were to find alien life on an Earth twin. How would it change our understanding of the universe and our place in it? Would it challenge our religious beliefs? Would it raise new ethical questions? These are all important questions that we need to be prepared to answer. The search for an Earth twin is already underway. Scientists are using powerful telescopes to scan the skies for planets that are similar to Earth. The James Webb Space Telescope, for example, is a state-of-the-art telescope that is designed to detect the faint infrared light from distant planets. It will be able to analyze the atmospheres of exoplanets and search for signs of life. In addition to telescopes, scientists are also developing new technologies to detect Earth-like planets. One promising technique is the use of gravitational lensing. This technique involves using the gravity of a massive object, such as a galaxy cluster, to magnify the light from a distant planet. This makes the planet appear brighter and easier to detect. Another technique that scientists are developing is direct imaging. This technique involves taking images of exoplanets directly rather than relying on the light from their stars. With this technique, scientists can study the planet's atmospheres and look for signs of life. Despite these efforts, detecting and studying distant Earth-like planets is still very challenging. The vast distances involved make it difficult to collect enough data to make definitive conclusions. Additionally, Earth-like planets are often very faint and difficult to observe. However, as technology continues to improve, scientists are becoming more and more adept at detecting and studying these planets. And the discovery of an Earth twin is only a matter of time. When we think about the possibility of there being another planet exactly like Earth, it can be easy to get carried away with the idea of finding intelligent alien life or even encountering extraterrestrials. While it's certainly possible that an Earth twin could harbor life, it's important to remember that life as we know it is still the only kind of life that we have confirmed to exist. Even if we were to find an Earth twin, we wouldn't necessarily expect it to have intelligent aliens or even any kind of life at all. It's also worth noting that if we were to find an Earth twin with life, it doesn't necessarily mean that those life forms would be like humans or even have any kind of advanced civilization. In fact, given the vastness and diversity of the universe, it's likely that any alien life forms we encounter would be completely different from anything we could imagine. Despite these challenges, the search for an Earth twin is an exciting and rapidly developing field of research. As scientists continue to explore the universe and make new discoveries, we may be closer than ever to finding another planet exactly like Earth. And who knows what other wonders and mysteries the cosmos holds. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the fascinating topic of what it would be like if there was another planet exactly like Earth. We hope you enjoyed learning more about the search for extraterrestrial life and the possibility of there being other planets out there that are similar to our own. If you liked this video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up as we always appreciate your support. And if you haven't already, please subscribe so you never miss out on any of our future videos. We always have new and exciting content coming up, and we want you to be the first to know when it's ready. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.